Hey everyone, today's product review is all about the Essentials collection by Create Flooring. These laminate planks are the perfect blend of durability, affordability, and elegance. Let's get into it. Each plank in this collection is 9 inches wide and 60 inches long and has an Embossed-Register texture. Basically, it's not just printed to look like wood, you can actually feel the texture lining up with the grain. Essentials is designed to give you that hardwood look without the hardwood maintenance or price. Consider this the affordable option. Next, let's talk about durability. These planks are 11 millimeters thick, so you get that sturdy feel underfoot, and the thickness helps with stability over time. It also has an AC4 wear layer, meaning it can handle busy households, pets, kids, and even light commercial spaces like offices, retail, and restaurants. So if you have heavy foot traffic, scratch resistance matters to keep your floors looking good longer. Plus, it's water resistant. It's not meant for standing water, but it can easily handle accidental spills and day-to-day messes. Comfort-wise, the attached pad is also a nice touch. It adds a little softness underfoot and helps cut down on the noise. A big win if you have multiple floors or you just don't want your home to sound like a bowling alley. Each box covers just over 31 square feet, which is 8 planks per box. And with the floating click lock installation system, you can knock it out without a ton of specialized tools if you're someone who enjoys DIY projects. However, a professional installer is always recommended. Now, let's take a closer look at the colors you can choose from in this collection. Moondust, a light, cool-toned gray with just a touch of beige. Cloudbank, a warmer light taupe that has a nice touch for any decor. Celestial, right in that neutral zone, a balanced medium brown with just enough variation to keep things interesting. Canyon Dust, a richer mid-brown with more depth. It's perfect if you want a cozy, grounded feel. Desert Sky, a warm golden brown that catches the light in a really natural way. And Morning Haze, the darkest option, a deep brown with lighter streaks. It's bold, but it's still warm. There's really something here for everyone, whether you want bright and open or darker and dramatic. And here's a part that a lot of people forget, the finishing touches. The Essentials collection has matching accessories available so your install doesn't just stop at the floor. You have T-molding for smooth transitions between rooms, reducers for stepping down to thinner flooring, stair noses for clean edges on steps, and end caps to finish off any exposed edges. No raw cuts, no awkward gaps, just a finished look all around. Also, this floor is Floor Score certified. Basically, it's been tested for indoor air quality and meets strict standards for low VOC emissions, meaning it's safer for your home and better for the air that you're breathing. And lastly, for peace of mind, this collection comes with a 50-year residential warranty, a 25-year light commercial warranty, and a lifetime structural warranty. Well, that's it for this product review. If you want laminate that's the perfect blend of durability, affordability, and looks high-end, this is your option. For more information on the Essentials collection by Create Flooring, visit our website at georgiacarpet.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.